Hello everyone, welcome to Ilmi Dose. I'm here with the more practice questions of lending series number 02. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I'm trying my best to make these videos as helpful as I can. So let's start. So number 1, FIM, finance against imported merchandise and finance against trust receipt are the classification of dash. The answer is import finance, or we can say import finance can be classified as FIM and finance against trust receipt. Number 2, for buying assets like plant, equipment and building, dash loan is granted to help the business customers. The answer is term loan is granted to help the business customer for buying assets like plant, equipment and building. These assets are also called fixed assets. Term loans are normally granted for 3 to 7 years, but they may go up to dash years. The answer is 20 years. Dash facility is provided by bank to the importer against the goods that are imported from other countries. The answer is FIM. Facility is provided by bank to the importer against the goods that are imported from other countries. Under a dash, bank transfer the title document of the goods that are imported through LC to the importer, and the customer become able to collect goods before payment. The answer is finance against trust receipt. Number 6, dash LC may not be changed without the consent of both importer and exporter. The answer is irrevocable LC. Number 7, dash LC can be changed without the agreement of the exporter. Revocable LC. In uses LC, credit period that is provided by seller is dash days, but it can be increased to dash days. The answer is 90 days, but it can be increased to 180 days. In dash LC, importers bank or the importer are required to make payment as soon as they receive clean documents from beneficiary. The answer is Site LC. In Site LC, importers bank or importer are required to make payment as soon as they receive clean document from beneficiary. Number 10, acronym of SG is shipping guarantee. Number 11, acronym of FG is financial guarantee. Types of lease are dash and finance lease. The answer is types of lease are operating lease and finance lease. Number 13, in dash, lessee is committed to a short-term contract and those contracts may be cancelled on notice. The answer is in operating lease, lessee is committed to a short-term contract and those contracts may be cancelled on notice. Number 14, in dash lease, lessee does not have the right to cancel the contract. In financial lease, lessee does not have the right to cancel the contract. So here is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching my video.